we're back. Now guys, I know you're idols, PBA basketball idols in your own right. Pero sino naman yung mga idols nyo na hinahangaan sa PBA? CJ?
Siyempre yung idol ko si Calvin. Madami kasi ako idol, halos lahat na nasa PBA idols ko. Pero yun nga, si Calvin, Jason Castro, Gabe Norwood. Pero yun na starstruck talaga ako kay Kuya Jason. Parang napapabilib ako, napapanood ko na lang. Napanood ko na lang siya habang naglalaro eh. Yung laro namin talk and text, parang hindi ko siya binantayan kasi matutulala ako dun sa kanya eh. Pero yun nga, pag napapanood mo yung mga idols mo, parang mas ma-inspire ka lalo maglaro. And lalo na pagkalaban mo sila.
Ikaw naman, Isaac.
It's Danny Ildefonso and Ranidel De Ocampo.
How have they influenced you? I know Danny doesn't play anymore, pero how have they, formed your love for the sport?
I got the chance to meet Danny I because his sons, Sean and Dave, were in Ateneo. And just the work ethic, I mean, he's 40, he looks really good, keeps in shape. And for a guy who's under 6'6", dominated the league, getting the nickname Demolition Man, he had to do something. He was doing something great. And I remember watching him in a series where he was going against these bigger dudes and he was just killing them. Like, they couldn't stop him. And for Ranidel, I think that's where the game is going, so that's why I'm trying to model my game after him. And I remember Coach Tab asking, I talked to Coach Tab and he said, like, he was willing to go with Ranidel at the 4 at the World Cup. And I asked him why, even though he was short. He said, because Ranidel's really smart. And that really, it can cover a lot of things for you, what you're lacking physically and skills. But if you have the smarts, it really takes you places.
Ikaw naman, Jasper, nasa Starstruck ka ba? May mga idols ka ba na talagang katulad ni CJ na hindi mo na nababantayan?
Ako, idol ko si PJ Simon. Nung nakalaban ko siya, medyo hindi rin kami pinasok sa isa't isa yung nasa upuan. Pero pag nakikita ko siya, parang na-inspire ako eh. Parang ngayon, parehas na tayo nandito. So, parehas na lang muna tayo dito. Wala na muna ditong rookie or veteran. Walang lamangan kasi parehas lang naman eh. Laro lang yan eh. So, parehas na lang muna tayo dito ngayon. Nasa sa isip ko. Kasi gusto ko manalo eh. Ganun.
Wow, so iba talaga yung mindset ni Jasper. Talagang on that winning mindset. But aside from that winning mindset, I know that you're also a baker. You love baking.
Nagagawa ko. Tsaka yung girlfriend ko.
Pero how did you get started with baking?
Walang pambayad ng kuryente eh. Kaya ano eh.
So nagbe-bake you sell those treats? Natikman nyo na ba?
Binibenta ko yung mga yan.
Buong team nga daw ng Alaska binenta.
Ano yung mga binibake mo? Mga example nga dyan.
Carrot cake, yung mga cookies, Belgian chocolate cookies, yung mga ganon. Wow. Pag gusto mong order, di message mo na ako, di ba? Para dagdag kita.
Kailangan ng pakita sa screen yung mga order, or saan ka order, pakita mo.
Para may pambayad tayo sa renta ng bahay at saka sa kuryente, di ba? Kasi wala tayong pambayad na eh. Pumumulubi tayo.
So alam ko nga, speaking of pambayad, CJ kanina nga biro mo na kailangan mo rin ng pambayad. You're a proud father of a beautiful baby girl.
Yes.
And it's really expensive actually to raise girls, I would know. So how does it feel? How has fatherhood changed you?
Natuto ako magtipid. Nagtitipid na yung kung may gusto akong bilhin pero mag-iisip ka muna, syempre isipin yung future ng baby ko. And syempre, baby girl, nakita ko, ang cute-cute niya. Mana-mana sa daddy.
Pero, agree ba kayo ng dalawa?
Di ba?
Patingin. Mana-mana.
Ayun nga, madaming magbabago sa buhay mo talaga pag may baby ka. Pero yun nga, so happy and blessed na may cute akong baby.
So the number one thing that's changed talaga is yung natuto kang magtipid?
Yes.
Ang mabilis ng yes na yan.
Yes, ganun talaga kasi madaming gastusin. Pero yun nga, buti na lang may PBA. Thank you, PBA.
And they said, is it true that you've become more aggressive with how you played na sumali ka sa lahat ng mga games? Because may extra drive ka ngayon.
Sayang naman yung diba?
Kinaling ko, may binyag kasi.
Sakto may binyag after ng All-Star. So, sabi ko,
Somatic.
Thank you, All-Star.
Trabaho muna.
Kahit nga, sabi ko, kahit nga linggo-linggo may All-Star.
Pero Isaac hasn't entered the PBA just yet. Jasper and CG, ano yung mga tips nyo na may bibigay nyo kay Isaac na mga dapat paghandaan pa lang niya ngayon? Sige, magsimula tayo kay Jasper.
Naku, hindi naman dapat bigyan ng tips eh. Daniel Padilla to, nasa kanya na lahat eh. No, Jay?
Pero siyempre, ready na siya, Coach Tab. Grabe siya, mag-build ng player talaga. Isaac hindi naman siya ganito dati. Di ba? Buti nakapag-diet ka ng...
Okay.
Pero yun...
Kinakain mo na ako dati
Pero-
sa practice eh.
Grabe yung... Siyempre, nag-champion ka
Yeah.
sa UAP. Mahirap gawin yun.
For fun na naman, pitch your team to him.
Siyempre,
CJ, ikaw muna.
di mo na kailangan bumili ng sakyan. May jeep. May jeep yung yung Colombian. So, doon ka sa amin kasi mas gagaling ako pag andun ka.
Isaac, ano naman response mo doon?
Yeah, sayang lang I didn't get the chance to play with CJ. Pero the few times I did, I had fun. Really had fun.
Okay, Jesper, your turn. Convince Isaac.
Sa akin, gatas. Matitikman mo dun kahit anong gatas. Tsaka, siyempre, makakatulong sa diet mo yun. Condensed lang, tapos condensed lang lagi. Kondensada.
Pero guys, on a serious note, how can Isaac fit into your team? What is your team strength? Talaga, that you see also yourself, that you've grown as a player, CJ?
Siyempre, sa amin, fit na fit siya sa system namin kasi yung offense na ginagawa din namin sa Colombian. And yun nga, sa defense din makakatulong si Isaac kasi kailangan namin ng big. So, doon ka na sa jeep. Thank you.
Jasper.
Sa akin, siguro yung sa depensa. Kasi kita ko naman siya dumepensa. And yung sa offense, kailangan din namin talaga ng tumitira ng big man sa outside.
Oh, ano namang response mo doon, Isaac?
Siyempre si Jasper never got the first time I got to play with him yung 3x3 na, and I enjoyed it as well. Pag nangyari yan, mahirapin. If I play with any of these two players, it's
bibigyan ka namin ng jeep.
Now, Jasper and CJ, you've been doing so well, even if it's still your rookie year. Pero ano yung mga ipapangako nyo sa fans nyo and to your teams, coaches, your teammates for your second year? CJ?
Siyempre, bibigay ko pa rin yung best ko kahit na maganda yung nilalaro ko daw. Pero ayun nga, mas madami pa akong may bibigay sa inyo, sa mga coaches ko and sa mga fans ng Colombian Jeep, kung meron man. Siyempre, all out pa rin ako maglalaro. Hindi ko kayo bibiguin na ibibigay ko lahat ng effort ko.
Wag lang jeep.
Yan.
Jasper?
Sa akin, same pa rin, walang magbabago. Yung positive vibes ko, na work ethic ko, dadalhin ko yung mga teammate ko sa mga positive na way na para makatulong sa team namin na mag-champion. Kasi pangarap ko talaga mag-champion eh. Hindi lang sa college, dito sa PBA, mag-iwan ng magandang memories. And sa mga fan-A, di ba? Bawi tayo next conference. Stay positive, no matter what.
Wow. Ibang klase. Okay. But Isaac, it's going to be your last season for the Ateneo Blue Eagles. What can you say to the community? A promise for another championship, maybe a three-peat?
I'd like to say thank you so much to the Ateneo community. It's been a long and fun ride. We had ups and downs, and I think you'll just have to enjoy this final year of me, 30, Matt, and Mike, and just see how much we have grown as people because it's the culmination of our journey. And we will just give our best, and hopefully we bring back the championship.
Well, I'm excited. I think everyone will be once all three of you are in the PBA to see you duel it out against each other. But thank you guys for being for the score, for
Thank you.
enjoying all the questions that I'm asking you and being so game. So this has been an episode of The Score. See you again next time.